Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am sharing with you my creations with my latest Beebeecraft haul, and it is just scrumptious. So I've created this album, and it was a school album with my kids, and I have added to it a dangle along the side. Now, just take a look at that. It is so beautiful and colorful and matches the colors perfectly for my album. So I'm just going to take this off here so you can get a closer look at it. But all I do is clip it to the binder ring and I let it hang over the edge. And this is what it looks like. So here are the things that I got from Beebeecraft. So I got these cute little gumball looking beads, which I just love. They absolutely look so yummy, which is sort of the theme of this dangle that I have created. And it also came with these fun little bubble teas, this cute little package of candy that says sweet with those flecks of sparkle inside. This I found at Michael's on a clearance, and I decided to match the colors of the beads, and they go perfectly. This yummy little lollipop that came in the last order. So the one thing that I created that wasn't from Beebeecraft was this bobby pin or safety pin, and I've just put some pom-poms and some beads on them. I've added a little silver charm, and this gummy bear was another one that came in my order. So many gorgeous yumminess. And then you saw how that just hung off the side of the album, and it is just such a special touch. Let's see if I can well, here, I'll just show you even in comparison, like all the colors. It's so colorful and yummy, and this might not necessarily be what I do. I may send this in a happy mail. I haven't really decided, but I'm just showing you an example of a way that it could be together. Here's another example. If you look at this beautiful dangle that I created off the side of this album, and I'm going to take that off to show you better. So here we have all the same sort of elements as the last one. Now, what I've done with these were bracelets that I found in the jewelry making section at Michael's, and they act as the perfect base to start adhering all these little charms and things. So this is one of the fun little glass globes that I got in my order, and I will put links to everything down below so you can find these, as well as a code for $5 off. So the whole order that you would have watched me unbox, and I'll link it at the end of this video, that whole order was $40. I'm pretty sure shipping is free when you spend $40, and you can see all of the things go on here beautifully. These all came in my last order. The lollipops, these candy bags, the globes, a couple of things that I've added that that were unique to things that I had around. These tiny little bobby pins with these little beads and pom-poms. Got 2 on there with some different colors of pink. Oh, actually 3. All 3 different shades of the pink that were in this sort of color scheme here. So anyway, so that is just amazing. I am having so much fun with these, and I still have lots of materials to work with, and I'm really enjoying them. So the first dangle that I created, actually maybe I'll put these on there for you. You can kind of see them sort of laid out better. One that makes this look longer is that I've actually, off the last dangle put the lollipop, so it's really extended. These are the same length. And this one, I put the lollipop off to the side, and then there's this little heart at the very bottom that dangles. So it looks like it's shorter when you look in comparison, but it's just the extension of where I put the lollipop that makes the difference. So that's fun. Okay, just gonna push that to the side. This is my first time doing an October daily, and I am really enjoying. I have done an December daily for years and years, and I'm really enjoying the format of this 4x4 album, as well as using some of like different colors. Like I'm not having to work with just Christmas products, and I'm really finding it super fun. So here again are those yummy gumball looking beads. I just love them. I've taken a jump ring that came in the kit. So the kit looked like this here. This is what the kit was. And I've taken a jump ring, and I've just put 2 little beads on the side of each jump ring because I didn't have a lot of Halloween colored type of beads and things. So I put 2 little orange beads on each side of a jump ring that came in my little kit, and then I added my charms and things as well. This pumpkin came to me in a happy mail, and it's just perfect dangling off the side here. I found all of like the gold and black charms that I could find. Again, this is one of those little, you can see all the stamping I've been doing. I've got ink still left on me. This right here is a beautiful dangle. So the nice thing about these beads that you can put inside is you can make these globes any color or theme just by simply choosing the materials that go inside. So that makes them really versatile. And this actually here, this whole thing that everything is dangling from was a bookmark I found at the dollar store. It wasn't a dollar store normal sort of item that you would find there. And I was really happy. There's another one of those globes, another one of my safety pins with some pom-poms on there. And again, just bringing in those colors. But anyway, yeah, this ended up being a really great, I can show you what it looks like from the inside here. So this ended up being a really great way to dangle things. It came with this giant lobster clasp, and it had this tassel, and then I just dangled everything else off of it. I took one of these from the dollar store as well and just added some glue to the inside to make sure that it would stay, and then I put it next to this little one that I had got from Beebeecraft. So those are my creations, and that just dangles over the side, and then when my album is done, it'll sit on display, and I've got the year on there like that I've added to the outside. So that's what that sort of looks like when you're standing up. It's hard to sort of get a good little picture of it, but so that's it there. So those are the things that that I made in the form of dangles. But then I also took the materials in that order, and I created some more safety pin ideas. So I'm just going to show you these here. So let's start with this one. So I took the gummy bear, and I found some matching beads and picked a coordinating color that I wanted to have here. And I just put the beads, and then I dangled one of the jump rings off the bottom, and I attached the little gummy bear. So I've created this fun little safety pin that you could add to a happy mail. And I've done the same thing with the little purple gummy bear. Super cute. The pink and the purple together. And you've seen how I've used these. You could easily dangle those off of a bigger dangle, or you could use them all alone, like as a stand-alone embellishment on a project. And I have some ideas for what I'm going to use these for. But basically, I just pick coordinating beads, and like these look like they were made together. These are just some from my stash. So I just put some coordinating colored beads and one of the jump rings that came in my kit, and I dangled this little candy bag off the bottom. And then here's one with pom-poms and one of those little bubble tees. Again, so you just use a jump ring and then you put it right through that hole that is naturally at the bottom of a bobby pin anyway. And you have the perfect little display for your gorgeous little charms. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.